Pronouncing Malagasy words can be quite straightforward once you understand a few basic rules. Here are some tips to help you with Malagasy pronunciation. 1. Vowels. Malagasy vowels are pronounced similarly to vowels in most Romance languages, ex Spanish, Italian. A sounds like R, as in father. E sounds like A, as in say. I sounds like E, as in see. O sounds like U, as in door, or O, like in go, depending on context too. Example: Salama, hello, is pronounced Salama. 2. Consonants 8, always pronounced like the English et in hello. Example: Manahona, how are you, is pronounced ma, na, ho, a, na. R, rolled lightly, similar to the Spanish R. Ts, sounds like tes in cats. Example: Sara, good, is pronounced tsa. J, pronounced like the Ds in ads. Example: Jerio, look, is pronounced de rayu. T, pronounced with a soft touch, without aspiration, less breathy than in English. K, also unaspirated, like the K in skate. 3. Stress. In Malagasy, the stress typically falls on the second-to-last syllable, penultimate syllable. Example: Misotra, thank you, is pronounced misotra. Faloma, goodbye, is pronounced veluma. 4. Combining vowels and consonants. Words often combine vowels smoothly. For example, Anarana, name, is pronounced ana, bra, na. Fali mahalala ano, nice to meet you, is pronounced afa, li ma, ho la la, ah now. 5. Diphthongs. Diphthongs, two vowel sounds combined, are pronounced clearly, but as a single syllable. I sounds like I. Example: Mahafali, to make happy, is pronounced mahafali. Ao sounds like ow, as in how. Example: Ao, here, is pronounced odai. 6. Special sounds. Eng, pronounced like the neng in sing. Example: Tonga, arrived, is pronounced tunga. MP, pronounced as one sound, starting with Example: Mampianatra, to teach, is pronounced mampia navtra. 7. Speak slowly and clearly. Malagasy is a phonetic language, so every letter is pronounced. Don't rush, take your time to pronounce each syllable. If you'd like, I can help you with specific words or phrases.